Hey guys! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Again, this is BM Gaming and today ang pag-uusapan natin is yung 5 common mistakes ng newbies dito kay Rohan 2. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag meron tayong panibagong upload regarding kay Rohan 2. Let's go! Hey guys! Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa ating sponsor for today's video which is si Lego Fast. Now, ano nga ba si Lego Fast? Lego Fast is actually an application that would boost the performance of your PC, especially if you're running multiple clients on your PC. Isa rin to sa mga makakatulong sa inyo guys para at least smooth yung performance ng mga games nyo kahit naka-multi-client kayo. As you can see guys, tatlong client yung gamit natin kay Rohan 2 and so far, hindi tayo masyadong nakakaramdam ng lag. So I'm not really sure how many applications can we run at the same time, but as you can see, medyo smooth naman yung performance ng application sa atin. So that's the reason why I'm using this Lego Pass as well. And nagpapasalamat ako because ni-sponsoran nila tayo ng premium membership. Now, napakamura din ng membership nila guys. Kung mapapansin niyo dito, you can actually buy this for as low as $4 a month. Okay? Pero if you want to buy it for the whole year, you can actually do it for only $27. So that's like 50% off or more than 50% off already. Yung discount code is nandyan sa description link natin para at least makapag-purchase kayo ng may discount. And you can also use either credit card, Google Pay, or PayPal when buying it. So all you just need to do is to click on get the subscription and automatic na yan guys na pwede nyo nang magamit si Rohan 2. It's not only Rohan 2 na pwede nyong gamitan ng Lego Pass. You can also use it for Valorant, Path of Exile, Throne and Liberty. You can also use it in Steam, yung mga Steam games, and also yung mga bagong games na papalabas such as etong si Legend of Ymir Global and also si Lord 9. So yun lang naman guys. I hope may matutunan kayo dito sa video na to and let's go back to the Rohan content. So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin yung 5 common mistakes na ginagawa ng newbies dito kay Rohan 2. Now, maybe meron pang ibang mistakes na hindi makakasama dito sa video na to. So kung meron man kayong alam na common mistake na ginagawa ng newbies pagdating sa Rohan 2, please comment down below para matulungan din natin yung mga bagsisimula pa lang dito sa game na to. And hindi na rin sila maligaw, okay? Or hindi na nila masayang yung mga resources nila. So, the first step or first common mistake na ginagawa ng mga newbies dito is hindi nila tinatapos yung daily quest na tinatawag. So, when you actually go here sa hamburger icon on the top right section, okay, meron ditong tinatawag na quest. Okay? And kung mapapansin niyo dito guys, alright, meron kayo ditong dalawang or tatlong klase ng quest. So, merong main quest, merong sub-quest. Alright, teka lang, tapusin natin ito. Yan, merong main quest, merong sub-quest, and merong request. So, itong request na to guys, daily, you have to complete this. Okay? Daily, kailangan siyang tapusin. Why? Kasi meron siyang experience and also cron na reward. Now, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, medyo mahirap pong makakuha ng cron. Okay? Etong cron na to guys, mahirap tong ma-farm. So please make sure to use it and also to farm this, okay, dito sa mga maps na to. Kasi bakit? Kasi malaking bagay to for your progression. Unang-una, bibili kayo ng skill book, gagamitin niya is cron. So siguro gagawin ko siya ng separate video on how to utilize cron efficiently para at least magkaroon kayo ng idea on when to use it and where to use it. Okay? But anyway, if you actually do the daily request, okay, so mapapansin niyo yan. Kunin na natin itong mga daily request dito. Yung iba, I think papalitan ko yung mga quest ko dito. So ito, pwede nating abandon yan. So abandon natin yung iba. So, papalitan natin siya. Why? Kasi hindi na siya appropriate dun sa level natin. Okay? Masyado nang mataas yung gap. And, of course, pag ito, mas mataas yung reward na makukuha natin. So, ang gawin nyo, accept nyo lang yung mga quest na yan and then tapusin nyo siya. Okay? Aside from Kron kasi, is meron din kayong makukuha ang XP, which is a bit higher than what you can get here. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo, mababa lang yung XP dito. So, but anyway, natapos na kasi natin yung quest na yan. So, kunin na lang natin. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Hindi nyo na pwedeng i-abandon yan. Huwag nyo kasing iwan, no? But anyway, pag tinatapos nyo ito, guys, imagine the XP that you're getting and also the Kron that you're getting. So, make sure to finish this daily. Prioritize nyo yan na matapos. Okay? Kasi yung main quest, guys, pwede nyo naman itong iwanan. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ako masyadong nagpipipindot, pero kung saan ang pumupunta yung character ko dyan sa spot ng mga mobs na papatayin ko sa main quest. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nyong iwanan yan hanggang sa ma-stack up na lang yung character nyo sa main at hindi niya nakayanin yung damage ng mga mobs. But, as far as you can finish the daily request, mas maganda kasi you're finishing this and you're getting a good amount of resources as well and you're still leveling as well. So yan muna yung priority nyo. That's the number one thing that you have to do. Okay? And then after this, pwede nyo nang gawin yung main quest, pwede nyo nang iwan, okay? Kasi ang ginagawa ko dito, guys, baliktad, no? So, di ba dito, minsan naka-AFK tayo, pero once you finish all these, wala na kayo ibang iisipin, kundi ito na lang main quest. So, kapag let's say for example, umalis kayo, nag-AFK kayo, press nyo lang yung main quest, dire-diretso na yan, matatapos nyo na yan. Okay? Ganun siya. Hindi siya yung tumitigil na nagre-require siya na i-click nyo yung quest para mag-continue. So, pwedeng ganun yung gawin nyo. Okay? Finish the daily request first. Okay? Para at least, wala na kayong iisipin and pwede nyo nang iwanan yung character nyo to do the main quest. So, baliktad dito, guys. Okay? But anyway, nasa sa inyo pa rin naman yan kung ano yung pa-priority nyo. Pero syempre, di ba, let's say for example, mabagal nga kayong mag-clear. So, mas maganda na matapos nyo muna yung mga mabibilis na quest instead of, focusing on the main quest kasi baka ang mangyari lang is hindi nyo matapos yung mga daily requests and sayang din yung makukuha nyo na rewards from there. Okay? Now, the second common mistake that the newbie is making in this game is not doing these dungeons. Sabi ko kanina, one of the important resources dito sa game na to is yung Kron. And I'll explain this on the next video, guys, para magkaroon tayo ng mas depth understanding kung saan nyo ba gagamitin yung Kron. Okay? But if you don't finish this, you're missing a lot. Remember, guys, that these dungeons, you can only enter on these dungeons once a day. Okay? Once a day lang to. And kung hindi nyo siya mamamaximize, pag nag-reset yan, sayang. 'Di ba? Yung resources na makukuha nyo, sayang. So yung iba, ang ginagawa, pinapa-level 30 muna nila yung character nila. Like yesterday, meron na umabot ng mga level 20, 25. No? Kasi dire-diretso sila naglaro, like whole day. And then, tsaka sila pumasok dito. Pwede nyo namang gawin yun, guys. Okay? Pwede nyo gawin yun. Ako gagawin ko din to bago ako umalis. Okay, kasi papasok ko tayo sa trabaho, guys. But anyway, finish this one para at least makuha nyo yung mga resources. Kasi importante din tong mga resources na to, guys. No? Lalo na yung armors. Especially bago lang lahat eh. So, level 30 armors, at least dito kahit paano, you will get a chance to actually win gears that is appropriate for your character. Okay? So, ganun siya kasimple, guys. Ngayon, once you're done with the dungeons, the next thing is probably do the sub-quest. Okay? Again, ihuli na natin tong main quest kasi pwede tayong mag-AFK grind sa main quest lang. Okay? Pwede nyong iwanan yung main quest lang. And dire-diretso yan. Magtutuloy-tuloy lang yun sa pag-quest niya. Okay? Now, I think one of the things that I could share is probably go to the settings button and then tanggalin nyo guys yung yung mag-sleep mode siya. Okay? So, tanggalin nyo yung para mag-sleep mode siya, guys. Kasi pag nag-sleep mode siya, baka matigil yung quest. So, yun yung inaano natin. Yun yung tinitingnan natin, guys. No? So, just make sure to turn it off. Tingnan natin dito kung meron siya. I think wala naman. But anyway, meron kasing sleep mode to, alam ko eh. So, ayan. But you can modify the settings. Tingnan natin dito sa combat. Target. Wala yata sila nandito. Wait lang. Ito, yung power saving mode, i-off nyo to, guys. Para dire-diretso lang at nakikita nyo yung character nyo na pumapatay talaga ng mobs. Okay? Yan yung I think pwede nyo gawin. Alright? So, that's the second thing. You have to do the dungeons, and you also have to do the daily request. Okay? And then, the third thing that I think most of us are missing out is not doing the codex. Okay? Codex will actually give a lot of free-to-play players a good time because of the free pulls that they can provide. Once you finish, let's say for example, on a certain map, you're able to finish all the codex. You're getting free pulls, and you have the stat reset ticket. You also have 10 free pulls for mystery egg. This is normal to legendary grade. And then you also get Kron. And medyo malaki din yung value ng Kron na binibigay nila dito when you're finishing it. So, basically, makakuha naman kayo dito by just grinding in the specific map. So, confirm nyo lang yan. So, dito, kailangan nyo lang naman talaga silang mapa-level or mapataas yung level nila rito. So, kailangan yung codex point. So, kunwari, tapos na kayo with main quest, tapos na kayo with sub-quest, with dungeons, and also with the request, then you can go ahead and do the codex. So aside from the codex, guys, a lot of people are also missing on the daily missions, weekly missions, and also monthly missions. Okay? This is basically for you to be able to get these free crons. Okay? Sabi ko nga kasi importante si Cron, especially for costume pulling for free-to-play players. Ito yung isa sa mga kailangan natin eh. Why? Kasi costumes will actually give you a good amount of stats. Mount will also give you a good amount of stats. Like ito, yung mount natin, nakakuha tayo ng mga stats na ganyan. Alright? So basically, ito is movement speed, skill cooldown, increase HP potion, and then magkakaiba lang sila sa third stat. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo. But with costumes, right? So pag pumunta tayo dito sa costume, it not only give you an attack speed, kapag higher rarity siya, guys. Okay, may casting speed din. Right? Pag ancient, usually ito lang eh. So may additional siya. So ang costume, kailangan natin at least makakuha man lang ng legendary. Kasi wala pa akong ancient, guys eh. Rare pa lang yung meron tayo, and 22% attack speed lang yan. So kung may ancient tayo, 30%. Kung legendary, 45%. So malaki pa rin yung lamang ng mga naka-legendary. However, ang costume kasi dito, iba din yung mechanics in pulling. Alright? The way you do it is, pag nakakuha kayo ng, let's say, times 10, kung makakuha kayo ng card doon, that's the time that you can unlock a costume. So let's say for example here, sa Ancient, pag nakakuha tayo ng Ancient card, okay, na isa lang, kahit isa lang, guys, we can unlock one of these costumes. Okay? Ganun siya nagwo-work. Now, if you get a legendary, ganun din. Alright? Ngayon, the thing is that, para makapag-pull kayo ng costume or ng costume cards, alright, kailangan nyo ng Kron. And yung Kron, hindi pa kasi available yung Ruby to Kron eh, na swap. Hindi pa siya available. So usually, ang gagawin nyo lang talaga is mag-farm ng Kron para makapag-pull kayo ng costumes. Ganun siya nag-work, guys. So medyo mahirap kapag hindi kayo nakakaipon ng Kron kasi wala kayo nakukuhang costume na at least Ancient pataas. At least mga Ancient pataas or kahit nga mga legendary pataas sana eh, yung makuha nyo. Kasi isang piece lang nung costume card na yon na epic or Ancient or legendary, okay na. Magandang panimula na yon for a newbie. And meron naman silang mga pre-pulls na binibigay. Sabi ko nga kahapon, nakaswerte tayo ng epic mount. Pero syempre, hindi naman binibigay lahat. So epic mount lang yung nabigay sa atin. But it's pretty good. Kung mapapansin nyo, mukhang Zoids nga yung epic mount natin. Diba? So again, nagawa nyo na yung request. Okay, just a recap, no? Nagawa nyo na yung request, nagawa nyo na yung dungeons, nagawa nyo na yung codex, nagawa nyo na yung missions. Alright? The next thing that you are going to prioritize as well is to buy skills. Kasi dito, guys, yung skill, kailangan yung bilhin. Okay? And sabi ko nga kanina, importante si Kron. Okay? So si Kron, ang kailangan nyo para makabili ng mga skills na to. Alright? So, please make sure na gawin nyo lahat ng mga bagay na to para you're not missing out on either resources or progress. Kasi dito sa game na to, kapag na-skip nyo yung mga yan, malaking effect yan sa progress ng character niya. Especially, it's a fast-paced game. Alright? Now, dito makikita nyo yung sinasabi ko that when you're pulling mounts, okay? Teka lang, may umatake yata sa atin. Wala. So, when you're pulling mounts, let's say for example, punta tayo dito. Cannot use it this time, nakalagay. Pero nabuksan na natin siya kanina, di ba? But anyway, so ko ba nakita yon dito sa market? Hindi. So, basically, yun lang naman. If you finish all this, yan, namatay yung character natin. Move to revival point. Wala na yata tayong pots. Naubos yung pots natin, guys. So anyway, ganun lang naman. Please make sure also na magre-repats kayo. Huwag niyo akong gayahin na matay yung character natin, no, habang gumaga tayo ng video. So, make sure to maglagay kayo ng pots. So, recover natin to. I think that is because medyo mataas pa yung level. So, pero may natapos na tayong quest. So, natapos na natin yung isa. So, balik muna tayo sa main quest. So, try to finish the quest muna na I think is within your level. I think pwede din naman yun. Ako kasi excited ako dun sa mas mataas na level para mas mabilis din yung progress eh. But anyway, finish all those things in a daily basis and you're good to go. Okay? So, yun lang naman guys. Wala naman na masyadong ibang bagay na ginagawa dito. Basically, those routines, you have to maximize it para makuha nyo yung mga resources na kailangan nyo in the game. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. And kita-kits tayo bukas guys. Magla-livestream ulit ako. Probably mga hapon siguro before ako pumasok sa trabaho. Yun lang. And thank you so much. Alam nyo na guys. Peace out.